Hi, so we're at Whole Foods today, and so as you know, there's 3 stressors that affect your spine. You have the physical stressors. That's like when you get in a car accident or when you fall. You have the mental, emotional stressors. It's all the stress people have about making it somewhere on time, or their job stress, or kid stress, family stress, relationship stress. And then you have chemical, nutritional stress. So right now I'm going to hone in on the chemical stressors and how we unknowingly stress our body out by putting lots of unwanted, unneeded chemicals on our body. So I'm going to give you some alternatives. We're at Whole Foods, and just all the different things I started switching as I started network care to help my body not have to deal with stressors that it doesn't need. So come on over. We're going to start with toothpaste. The type of toothpaste I like to use and I like to recommend for you to use is fluoride-free toothpaste. There's no need for fluoride, and this is good Tom's of Maine because it doesn't have artificial sugars. It still feels and tastes like normal toothpaste, just without all the junk in there. So change your toothpaste. Also, you can all the mouthwash. I like Tom's just because it's cheap, it's practical, and it doesn't have all the gooky stuff that Listerine and all those other brands have. Another thing that's really good is deodorant, okay? And I am actually not a fan of Tom's. I like another brand, but again, these deodorants don't have aluminum in it, so you don't want to be shaving your armpits and putting aluminum underneath your open skin for women. And also, aluminum has been shown to have higher rates of breast cancer. You have lymph nodes right here, so you don't want to be applying aluminum products in your armpits. And it also does affect men also. Actually, come on over here. I'm going to show you my favorite brand. I know this is a men's brand, but I love this company for deodorant. And I use this one, the Wild one, or the, hold on, yeah, this one, Dusk, and it actually works. It's natural and it works.
And it's called Natural Grooming?
Natural
Is that the brand?
Grooming,
okay.
Yeah, the brand. It's a man's deodorant, but no one will know you're using a man's deodorant. What else do we want to demonstrate here? Shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so this is my favorite brand. I use this brand just because it's so great. I use the Rose.
And what brand is that?
It's EO, Essential Organic. And first of all, it's organic, so there's no pesticides in your shampoo and conditioner. They use essential oil, which is fantastic, so it's not chemically based. And there's no sodium lauryl sulfate or all those things that are just not so wonderful. So it's just like a nice chemical-free shampoo and conditioner. And when I first switched, when I started becoming aware of chemicals, I tried out a whole bunch of them. Some don't, like suds up, some, just are not very good, some of the natural stuff. But I really like this brand. Same with lotions, it's like our skin is our biggest organ, okay? It absorbs everything you put on it. So imagine if you were eating, when you eat, you think twice about things. But when sometimes we put stuff on our skin, we don't think that it's going into our body as if we're eating something. So I like organic brands. I personally, again, for the lotions, where are the lotions? Lotions are over. I don't know where the lotions are right now, but again, I like this same brand, Essential Organic, for the lotions. And I also, this is what I actually use. Come on over. I actually use coconut oil, and so it's amazing because it's organic. There's no gunk in there. Your body totally absorbs it in. You can eat it. There's nothing horrible in this thing.
It's really yummy.
It's really yummy.
On bread.
and on your body. So that's what I use. And then also, oh, and this stuff is really good too, by the way. Chia, like a pet, it's good for energy for you to have. But one last thing I want to cover is tampons. Okay.
Every guy's favorite thing.
Every guy's favorite thing. Okay, so tampons, most people use, you know, Tampax or whatnot, and that has a lot of chemicals in it, and a lot of just things that you would just not be happy knowing that is in your tampon. These are totally chemical free. There's no formaldehyde. There's no bleach, and it's just totally safe and natural. And the chemicals is what causes toxic shock syndrome. So this is a safe way to go. I like this brand, NaturCare. And then come on over. Let's talk about the detergent. So another way that we easily put chemicals in our body is on our clothes and also with our dishes. So let's start with dishes. I actually like this brand, Myers. It is like the most like normal dish soap, and I like the lavender scent. So I use this on my dishes so it doesn't have phosphates, so I'm not eating chemical on my plates. And I like to wash all of the face cloths and my clothes in this is my favorite smell lately, the geranium one, but again, it's phosphate free, it doesn't have chemicals in it, and again, also you can make your house chemical free by using all the laundry to dryer sheets, or you know, all the other stuff that you could be using to not create more chemicals in your life, in your body, and in the environment. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you.